Welcome. If you've been experiencing issues with Pinterest logging you out repeatedly, you're not alone. Many users face this frustrating problem, but today, I'll guide you through some effective steps to fix it and get you back to pinning in no time. 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, ensure your internet connection is stable. Open your device's settings and click on the network icon. A weak or intermittent connection can cause frequent logouts, so make sure you're connected properly. 2. Close the app and reopen it. Sometimes, a simple app refresh can do wonders. Close the Pinterest app completely and then reopen it. This action can help eliminate temporary glitches that might be causing the issue. 3. Clear app cache. Next, let's clear the app cache. Navigate to your device settings and find the Pinterest settings. Click on Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache. Confirm this step to remove any corrupted files that could be affecting your login stability. Step 4. Restart your device. After clearing the cache, restart your device. This helps in refreshing system processes and can resolve any lingering issues that might be causing Pinterest to log you out. 5. Open the app again. Once your device has restarted, open the Pinterest app again. Check if you're still facing the same issue. If everything is working smoothly, you're good to go. If these steps don't resolve the problem, consider checking for any updates for the Pinterest app or your device's operating system. Keeping everything up to date can prevent many technical issues. In conclusion, by following these straightforward steps, checking your internet connection, restarting the app, clearing cache, and rebooting your device, you should be able to fix the issue of Pinterest logging you out repeatedly. If problems persist, it might be worth reaching out to Pinterest support for further assistance. Happy pinning!